Welcome to SAT. We are starting new video of exponent and radicals. Last episode we have trying to solve 1 to 9. This episode we are starting from number 10. Let's get started. Number 10, here is root 128. So first we have to find out which one is perfect square of 128. Look, 64 times 2 is a 128 square root. This 64 is a perfect square, so we can write 64 times root 2. Because root a b, we can write root a times root b. So root 64, it means 8, and here is root 2. This is our answer. Number 11, we have to find out the value of x. So this case is a very simple things. We can square both sides. Here is 5 root 2 and root x. So once we square both sides, it will be 5 root 2 square equals to root x square. Then 5 square means 25 times root 2 square means only 2, and here is x. So we can say 25 times 2 is a 50 equals to x. So x equals to 50. This is our answer. Next, here is 3 root x. 3 root x equals to root 45. So this 45 we can write root 9 times root 5. So here will be 3 root x equals to root 9 means 3, and here is root 5. Now we can divide both sides by 3. So root x equals to root 5. Once we square both sides, so x equals to 5. Here is 2 root 2 equals to root 4x. So 2 root 2 equals to root 4, it means 2, and here is root x. We can divide both sides by 2, so root 2 equals to root x. Now square both sides, so 2 equals to x. It means x equals to 2. How about here number 14, 4 root 6 equals to 2 root 3x. So 4, first we can write like this, 4 root 3 times root 2. Then 2, and here is root 3 and root x. So we can divide both sides by 2 root 3. So here will be 2, right? Here will be 2. 4 divided 2 is a 2. Root 3 and root 3 out, and here is only root 2. And here 2 out, and only equals to what? Here is root x. Now we can square both sides. So 2 square means 4 times root 2 square means 2, and root x square means x. So 8 equals to x. This is our answer. Number 15, 3 root 14 equals to root 6x. So this one we can write, look, this is 4, 14. 14, what can we do? Here 3 times root 14 means root 2 times root 7. Why we are writing this one? Because in right side here is root 6x. It means root 2 times root 3 times root x. Now look, here root 2 and root 2 out. So what we are getting? Here is 3 root 7 equals to, one more thing, this one also we can write, here is 3. 3 means root 3 times root 3. So also we can divide root 3 also. So here we are getting root 3 times root 7 equals to root x. Once we make square both sides, so 3 times 7 equals to x. It means 21. 3 times 7 is a 21 x. This is our answer. Number 16. 4 root 3x equals to 2 root 6. So first 4 times root 3 times root x equals to, here is 2, and this root 6 we can write root 3 times root 2, right? So here what can we divide? We can divide this 4 with 2. So here is 2 only, here is root 3 and here is root 3, right? And look, here is also 2, here is also root 2. It means 2 means root 2 times root 2. So 1 root 2 out, here is root 2 out. So finally we get, here is root 2 root x equals to 1. Then we can write root x equals to 1 by root 2. So once we square both sides, we will get x equals to 1 by 2, and this is our answer. Number 17. 3 root 8 equals to x root 2. So these 3 and root 8 we can write root 4 times root 2, okay, equals to x root 2. So this root 2 and this root 2 we can divide. So here is 3 root 4 equals to x. Now if we make square both sides, so 3 will become 9 times root 4 will become 4, and here is x square. So 9 times 4 is a 36, and here is x square. And finally once we make a square root both sides, we will get root plus minus 6 equals to x. So x equals to either minus 6 or plus 6. Number 18 and today's last question. Here is x root x equals to root 216. This one, first we can square both sides, then we will get x square. X equals to 216. It means this square gone. Now x square times x, it will be x cube, and this 216 we can write 6 to the power 3. Now look here, power are same, so base will be equal. We can write x equals to 6. Why? Because we know a to the power m equals to b to the power m. It means a equals to b. So our answer is 6. So finally we get everything. It's a very interesting math part we are trying to solve. Our topics was exponent and radicals, and we are trying to solve everything without calculator. So please subscribe my channel, which is SAT X, where you will get lots of things, especially algebra. And this channel you will, it's a great practice for IGCSE and SAT practice. So please subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Thank you very much for being with me.